outdoor tomato festival falling. Then farmers got angry, so they threw tomatoes at the city councilman. La Tomatina is a demonstration like in Buñol. Over time, this turned into a famous tomato festival. I will now tell you some of the theories how tomato festival had started. Nowadays in Buñol, Spain, every last Wednesday of August, they have La Tomatina tomato festival. This event has become one of the biggest festivals in Spain. The highlight of the festival is the tomato fight, which takes place between 11 a.m. and 1 p.m. on the day. Historians are unclear as the origins of La Tomatina. Buñol has become home to the world's biggest tomato fight. However, the most plausible evidence suggests that it dates back to 1945 when an annual parade of figures with big hats was passing through the streets of Buñol. It seems that some youngster tried to join the parade and accidentally knocked over one of the giants who got to his feet and started swinging out at everyone around him. In retaliation, the youngsters grabbed some tomatoes from a nearby vegetable store and started throwing them at him until the police arrived to break things up. The following year, on the same date, these young people returned to the town hall square and started another tomato fight using their own tomatoes. Again, the police intervened, and in subsequent years, the local council tried to ban the El Dia de la Tomatina, but with little success as the event continued to grow year after year, reaching the ridiculous size it is today. People all over the world participate in La Tomatina. This is how the main event works. People load up the tomatoes on trucks and bring them to the street. They signal the start of the fighting. Once you hear the first bang, you grab the tomatoes and throw them at other people. One has to make sure to mash the tomatoes before throwing them at other people. Otherwise, it will cause accidents. When the festival is over, participants need to stop throwing tomatoes at each other. The town council now has rules for the tomato fight. All of the participants need to put on goggles and swimming suits. It is illegal to bring any kind of bottles or other objects that could cause an accident. You must not tear t-shirts. Tomatoes must be crushed before throwing so that they don't hurt anybody. You must be careful to avoid the carts which carry the tomatoes. As soon as you hear the second bang, you must stop throwing tomatoes. It seems like if you go to Buñol in Spain this year, you can have a good time there.